Hello, is this Bradley Goldberg?
Yes, it is.
Hey, it's Sergeant Flanagan with Sanford PD.
Sergeant who?
Flanagan with Sanford PD.
Yes, hello. Good evening, Sergeant Flanagan. How are you?
Hey, good. I'm just getting back in. I saw you called in a couple of times today. Is that form ready?
Well, I mean, what I wrote or writing on the form is the same thing that's on your body cam, which I stated exactly what's on the form. That's called a deposition on audio and video. That actually holds more weight than what's in writing. All you have to do is get the body cam footage of 2:38 a.m. today, same day as today. We just met about 12 hours ago, and then take that footage and then send it up to the chief so that they can investigate and have Carlos Ruiz suspended by tomorrow, because he's not working tomorrow. That's 100% for sure. You're not having a steroid freak that had a wellness check today and failed going back to work. In addition, I put him on the no-fly list zone. I call him the Sanford no-fly zone list, whatever it's called, on the because I called the Sanford International Airport and told them everything about the steroid freak Carlos Ruiz.
Do you want to fill out the complaint form or not?
He's also on Homeland Security's list as well. You think I'm joking?
Do you want to fill out the formal complaint form or not?
I did a formal complaint with you on the body cam. Do you want me to do it in writing?
The form I gave you that explains everything. Do you want to fill that out or not?
Yes, I do. But do you remember yesterday? I mean, at 2:38 in the morning, when when your partner filled out the form.
Yeah, that's already attached to your arrest case. That's going to the state attorney's office. But for a formal complaint,
I hear you. But my court date is June 9th, and that's coming up quick. Did you give it to the state attorney yet?
It's the weekend. They're not going to receive it until minimally tomorrow or Tuesday.
That's fine. I work on the weekends, but I was also in jail for 3 days because Carlos Ruiz is a steroid freak.
Do you want to fill out the complaint form or not?
I do, but I need help because my finger's broken. That's why your partner filled out the one today at 2:38 a.m. for me, and I signed it. Remember?
Right. We can help you with that. But that other form I gave you, the two forms with the extension or whatever, that's got to be completed for the formal complaint process to start. And
yeah, I know that, but I have a broken finger.
Okay, we can help you with that, with filling that out. But
yeah, I know, because Carlos Ruiz filled out Robert Hall's statement.
So do you want help filling that form out so we can receive it back to start the formal complaint?
Oh, of course. I didn't know the formal complaint didn't start yet, because it really should, because he's not working tomorrow morning, that's for sure. Okay. And I'm surprised he still has a gun right now. He's going to kill somebody or himself.
Where can we meet to have that form complete?
Well, I have a client right now, a woman I have to deal with. She has an abusive ex-husband that I need to protect her from. That's what I do for a living. Okay. I also have the elderly and children. Carlos Ruiz tried to ruin my life and stop all my clients from coming to me.
When you're ready to provide that form, let me know, and I'll be happy to meet with you so we can get that completed.
Yeah, but you didn't put your cell phone on your business card like most police officers do.
I'm not providing my cell phone.
I have it already. It's okay. It's public knowledge.
Okay. All right.
You didn't know that?
All right, let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready.
Is there a lakefront now?
I will. Make sure you put your cochlear implant in before you come to me, because I'm not talking to you unless you have it in.
Okay, have a good day.
He said what?
Have you?
So he's not at the lakefront?